Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that Earth has suddenly stopped spinning. Not slowly, not over thousands of years, instantly. At first you might not even realize what happened. Then everything around you would start moving. Earth currently rotates at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. You, the buildings around you, the oceans, and the atmosphere are all moving with the planet. So if the ground suddenly stopped, you would not stop with it. You would be thrown eastward at incredible speed. Cars could become deadly projectiles, buildings could be destroyed, trees could be ripped from the ground, and anything that was not firmly attached to the surface could be carried across the planet. But the ground is not the only thing that would keep moving. The atmosphere would continue traveling around the planet even after the surface stopped. That would create winds moving at extreme speeds, powerful enough to destroy cities and reshape entire landscapes. Then there would be the oceans. The water would also continue moving, creating enormous waves and catastrophic flooding across coastlines. But somehow, that would still not be the end of the disaster. Earth's rotation helps influence the distribution of the oceans and drives major patterns in the atmosphere and oceans. If the rotation suddenly disappeared, those systems would be thrown into chaos. Ocean currents would change dramatically. Weather patterns would be completely disrupted, and storms could behave very differently. But there is another massive change we often forget about. The length of a day would completely change. If Earth stopped rotating while continuing to orbit the Sun, a full day and night cycle would eventually last about a year. Many parts of the planet would experience months of continuous sunlight followed by months of darkness. Imagine the sun rising and then remaining in the sky for months. Temperatures on the sunlit side could become dangerously hot, while the dark side could become incredibly cold. Plants, animals, and humans would face conditions unlike anything we experience today. However, there is an important difference between Earth stopping instantly and Earth gradually slowing down. If the planet somehow slowed over millions of years, life would have time to adapt. The atmosphere and oceans would gradually adjust, climate systems would change, and life could potentially continue. But if Earth stopped spinning instantly, the result would be one of the greatest natural catastrophes imaginable. The difference is all about speed. A gradual slowdown could give life time to adapt. An instant stop would unleash the energy of a planet that is currently moving at incredible speed. And here's the strangest part. Earth is spinning right now at this very moment. You just do not feel it because everything around you is moving with it. So the next time you think you are standing completely still, remember that you are actually standing on a planet spinning through space at incredible speed.